guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, I do want to address my crazy makeup that I have going on. It's not crazy, I think it's pretty cool, but I was actually filming a TikTok earlier, which probably will be posted by the time you guys see this video. So if you are interested, you guys can check that out if you want to. But yeah, I've just been having a lot of fun over on TikTok. I've definitely been one of those people that has resisted becoming a part of that specific platform, but eventually I just couldn't run from it. I caved and now I'm obsessed, and I'm just trying to put out more content out there for you guys. So today I'm very excited. We are doing a huge Sephora haul, and you guys know I love Sephora. I mean, who doesn't love Sephora? It's like me being in Sephora is like being a kid in a candy store. It is my ultimate. If I am going through a hard time, retail therapy in Sephora, I'll be there for like 2 hours, and that's where you'll find me. So today I'm very excited. We are partnering with Sephora, and so I'm gonna be showing you guys this massive Sephora haul, things that I've been waiting to pick up that I finally decided to just cave and do it. Before we get started, I do wanna mention Sephora Beauty Insiders program. If you guys aren't signed up with it, I highly recommend you to. You basically rack up points with every purchase that you make, and you're able to redeem them for gifts, exclusive coupons, and stuff like that. So it's definitely worth it. It's free, and you don't realize how quickly those points rack up where you're able to redeem them for certain items or, you know, gifts and things like that. So I can't recommend the Beauty Insider program enough. I'll have a link down below that you guys can check out, and you can sign up there. Everything that I mentioned in today's video you can find on Sephora.com. It'll all be linked down below for you guys, as well as the sign up link for the Beauty Insider program. So if that's something that interests you, you guys can check that out. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the haul. Okay, so to start off, I have had so many things on my bucket list whenever new launches happen, or just things that I see like on TikTok or like on social media and stuff I just want to pick up. I have like a running list in my notes section on my phone, certain things I haven't picked up for at least like 2 years. So I was like, you know what, it's time. It's time we do this. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this product. It's the Glowish by Huda Beauty. It's the Multi-Dew Skin Tint, and I got mine in the shade Tan. I'm excited to try this because I've seen really great reviews about this, and oh, I didn't even realize this is vegan. Is their entire company vegan? I don't know. So I've been wanting to try this. I actually saw this in the store the other day, and I was actually like pleasantly surprised because I don't really have a lot of things from Huda Beauty. I use this to, oh my gosh, look how much, the reflection of light beaming. Wow. Okay, so I'm very excited to try that. I need my towel. And apparently, if you're somebody who needs a lot of coverage or wants to add a little bit of luminosity, if you are somebody who wants to add a little bit of luminosity to your foundation, this is something you can use apparently and mix that in. But for me, I will definitely use this as just like the foundation. So I'll see how that goes. I'm kind of excited because this is really glowy and dewy, so I'm very excited to try this. So I've been wanting to try out this brand for a long time. Actually, some of you guys mentioned it to me, telling me that you think that I might actually like the company. So I picked up this product. This is the Sun Melt. It's a natural cream bronzer, and this one's in medium bronze. Essentially, people are saying it's comparable to the Chanel Tan de Soleil, but this product, I actually gave it a try today. As you can see, I used a little bit of it, and so far, you guys, I'm actually loving it. The shade is so pretty. It's what I have on like the parameters of my face to contour and bronze, and it's such a beautiful, easy, malleable formulation. So absolutely love this. If you guys want to see it in action, let me know if you guys want to see an entire video where I test out these products that I picked up. Some of this stuff I have tried out because I couldn't help myself. Okay, and then the next product I did pick up was the Ole Henriksen Dewtopia 20% Acid Night Treatment. So I picked this up. I actually saw Julia Havens talk about it, and I was like, oh my god, her skin looks amazing. And I had to like rip the box open the second I got my shipment in because I really wanted to test this out as soon as possible. So this is basically a treatment that you put on your skin at night before you go to bed, and you literally wake up up and your skin looks so renewed. It looks like brand new skin. I feel like I was like a snake and I just like shed this like layer of skin and this new beautiful like smooth, supple, radiant skin popped out. So yeah, I really love it. I did make a TikTok just specifically to this because I was raving about it and so many people think it was sponsored, but it wasn't because I picked it up myself. So yeah, that's a really great product and one that like I think is going to be one of my favorites for a really long time. So if you're looking for something that's really going to transform your skin, I highly recommend that product. Okay, so another product I did pick up from the Say brand, and this I also just used earlier just now, and I am in love. This brand is like killing it. So this is the Glowy Super Gel Dewy Illuminating Fluid, and I got mine in the shade Sun Glow. So Sun Glow is a beautiful tan, warm shade. It really gives you like a slight tint, not like as in like full coverage, but it's more so, if you guys can see, it has this golden undertone, so it does have a little bit of pigment to it, not just, you know, luminosity and dewiness to it. I put it on my skin and I feel like it made my skin look so stunning, like on its own. It didn't even look like I had anything on my skin, but it just created this like gorgeous, natural, like lit from within kind of look. So I really like this. I think this comes in other shades, but you know, and I've tried a lot of like luminous fluids and stuff like that. This one I have to say is probably one of the most stunning like formulas I've tried. So I'm really happy about this and I'm really glad I tried it because I feel like this is gonna be one of those products that I can just apply on my skin and just spot conceal and my skin will just literally look amazing. So there's that. All right, so another product I did pick up, we're kind of all over the place. I'm bouncing from skincare to makeup to whatever. This is the Backstage Pro Air Flash, and if you guys aren't familiar with this, this is the Dior Spray Foundation. So this actually reminds me of high school because I had a group of my girlfriends were always using this product, specifically one girl, and so it just brings back so many memories. It's very nostalgic for me. I did pick it up in the shade 401. I don't know if this is going to be the right shade, but if you guys aren't familiar with this product, it's an aerosol, so you have to shake it really, really well. And I do see people just kind of spray this over their face, but that like literally gives me anxiety because it just will get in your hair and all that stuff. So I would definitely shake this and maybe spray it onto like a brush like this and then apply. Very excited to use this. It's supposed to give you like literally a flawless airbrush stunning finish. So I don't know, I'm not sure if this is like super full coverage, but I figured I would give it a try. This stuff is kind of expensive, so I do kind of want to see if it's even like worth it. So yeah, this is the Soft Pop Blush Stick by Mario. And I got mine in the shade Earthy Pink, and I am in love with the shade. I'm actually in love with the brush too. I don't know what's up with like the little bubbling part of this all, but I mean, it works really well. The shade is so pretty, you guys. I love it so much. And the shades that he came out with are very like natural looking. And even though they do have like a few that are really bright, when you blend them out, they just sheer out in such a beautiful, natural way. So you guys know I'm all about that. And I love a cream blush. So this is so exciting to have this now in my collection of cream blushes. And it's actually what I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. I absolutely love it. It reminds me a lot of Sunkissed by Nude Sticks, but to be honest, I really like this formula because it blends out a little bit better, especially with the brush it comes with. The next product I want to try with you guys here on my channel, I haven't opened it yet because I've been waiting to try this. I remember when these first launched, I think it was like years ago, when Huda and Mona launched this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it. I watched all the YouTube videos about it. Everything is just like falling. I don't know what to do. The main one that everyone was raving about, and this product actually, I wanted to get it in the smaller one, but it's sold out, of course, because everyone's smart and wants to test it out first before purchasing the big old bottle. But so this is the, hang on, let me just, this is the K-Ali perfume, and this one is in the scent vanilla. The way Huda and Mona mentioned to use it is that you spray it on certain areas. You don't like mix like this. I used to always do this. I don't know why. It was like a generational thing, but apparently it's wrong. So you're supposed to spray it like where you're like the crook of your elbow, which is like so weird because I get really sweaty there. And then also like the crook of your like knees, and then like behind your ears. And then like, yes, you can spray it on your wrist, but don't like smush it. And then they also mentioned like this thing called like mixing perfumes, which it sounds pretty self-explanatory. Like, sure, just try both perfumes on at the same time. Didn't think to do that. So I learned a lot from them. Oh my God, this bottle is amazing. Okay, so this is the bottle. It's so stunning. And the notes of this are vanilla orchard, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. So what I think it's gonna smell like is sweet, but musky. Like a little manly, but sweet, I think. We'll see. Okay. Oh my God. Spray too much. I know. I'm sorry, Sophie. Is it too strong? Are you gonna suffocate? Do not be alarmed. It's really strong, so I think it's going to last all day. I don't think I need to bathe myself in it the way I did, but you guys, this smells so good. It really is like a musky scent, but it has a balance of like warmth to it. It's so pretty. I love it. This one takes the cake. Is my dog alive? Another product I did pick up from TikTok is this product, and I was actually really surprised that they had this. And even when I went into Sephora, they told me that they're not sure if they have it because everyone's been coming in to ask for it. And oh God, look how stunning this is. This is the Dior lip oil, and they came out with these lip oils in so many different colors. This one is in the shade Rosewood, which is the one that everyone's like highly raving about. But these lip oils, even though they are tinted, they do look different on everybody. It does change due to the temperature of your lips or like the pH level of your lips. So it does sort of vary on everybody, but it is just such a beautiful lip oil. As much as you would think that this is like, okay, look. Doesn't that sound like a really sticky formula, right? But when you put it on, it literally glides onto the skin. It has so much shine. And I can't get over the fact that it's just a lip oil. Another makeup product I did pick up was the Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlighter. To be honest, I kind of picked it up on a whim. It just looked really pretty. Like, it just looks stunning. And the fact that it's considered the serum highlighter, I was like, ooh, serum, that means it's thinner. It's probably going to like look a little bit more skin-like. So you guys, it's on my face right now and I'm in love with it. So this one is in the shade Nova. It's a little brighter, but I do love the way it looks on my skin. Okay, so we're almost done. Oh my God, I completely forgot to mention. So I decided to rip off the band-aid and pick this up. You guys know I love my Dyson Airwrap. The only gripe I have, especially now that I have these curtain bangs that you can't see right now, is the fact that there is not a different like round brush attachment. The round brush attachment that comes with the Airwrap is like not big enough, and it's also an awkward size to style my bangs with. So I've been using like a traditional hairdryer, but the hairdryer I have, like I really can't stand it. The motor is just so low and I feel like I'm sitting there for at least an hour drying my hair. So I decided that because I love the Dyson like engines of everything that they sell, I decided to pick up the Dyson Supersonic, and I got this one because it was the same price as the one with just the hair dryer, but this one comes with a wide tooth comb and a round brush. I just used this today for the first time and I was obsessed. I put it on my Instagram stories and I love that it's like this fuchsia color. It dries your hair so much faster than a regular hair dryer. Like when I hear that engine of a Dyson, it doesn't compare to like the traditional hair dryers that are out there. So I love it. It is really expensive, but it's one of those things, if you do your hair a lot and like I do, then it's, you know, it's worth it in the end. And so far I used it once and I love it. It just sucks that the air wrap, like you can't have like an attachment that's like this on it, but essentially that's competing with this product, so they got me basically. So that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe I gave you some ideas on what to pick up at Sephora, or put on your like little note list like I have. If there's anything you want me to try or pick up, please let me know. I'm constantly putting new items and just Sephora products on my little notepad in my phone. Don't forget to take advantage of the coupon code. I will leave that down below, as well as everything that I mentioned in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.